Hello friends, I'm Vicky.
I'm Amanda. Welcome to MEATON Group. Today we are going to introduce you our MEATON factory.
It covers 13,000 square meters and 10,500 square meters in workshops, and totally have 18 production lines and 2 workshops.
Wow, it's much bigger than expected. So how many people work in this plant?
There are 313 employees, after which 215 frontline workers running on 18 production lines in 2 shifts. Okay, let's go for it.
Okay, let's go for it. Our semi-finished products.
Wow, it's a big workshop. So, what's the production capacity?
Good question. We can produce concealed slide 400,000 sets and Dropbox 200,000 sets per month.
Really? That really surprised me. How does a new factory efficiently accomplish this value?
Okay, let's reveal the secret for you. These are our facilities. We own 17 group brokers, 83 continuous stamping machines, 350-ton 2 sets, 250-ton 5 sets, 125-ton 2 sets, 8 automatic welding machines, 12 dropped arms, and 47 single-stroke machines to guarantee the work smoothly going. We also have some fully automatic machines, Dropbox slide automatic machines 2 sets, concealed slide automatic machine 2 sets, Dropbox rack automatic machine 2 sets, bead loading automatic machine 2 sets, bead rack automatic machine 2 sets, side water hook machine 2 sets, grinder machine 5 sets, and some other machines.
No wonder our production capacity has increased so much in just a few years. Most products are finished by automatic machine, so no need too many workers.
We also adopt the 5S management to improve effectiveness. Each area is directly divided. More details can be shown on the whiteboard. See the detailed drawings and some requirements. It will help workers to understand which step they are doing. Here comes the last step, assembly. Here are fully automatic machines. Just a few supervisors. Total were 18 production lines, line 1 to line 9 for Dropbox, and line 10 to line 18 for concealed slide.
Wow, so advanced machines. There are not many tasks, because the machine can finish by themselves.
Yes, even we have all the good benefits in our company, it still has recruitment difficulties. So how can we produce so pretty big quantity products?
We have 17 sites fully automatic machines, and automation rate is approximately 14%.
No wonder we have so high productive capacity.
Do you know why we have a high production capacity? At the same time, there are very few customer complaints.
We have a complete quality control management system. We adopt the procedure of first inspection, and after it qualified, then comes the mass production.
Yeah, the qualified products will be packed directly, and unqualified products will be put in red box. Yellow box products we will rework.